Do this every day until you can do it as quickly as I can. Draw the sound pics with your finger, so you don't need your whiteboards. It, sit. Slither down the snake. Ant. Round the apple, up and down the leaf. Tap. Down the tower, across the tower. Pan. Down his plat, up round his head. Put in pin. Down his body and dot for his head. The pin is spinning. Ap, nap. Down Nobby, up over his net. Yum. Down Maisie, over the mountain. Duck. It's duck. Round his bottom, up his tall neck and down to his feet. G and J. Gentle giant giggles. Round her face, down her hair and give her a curl. Hot, dog, hot dog. All around the orange. K and s. Cat, scent. Curl around the caterpillar. It, kitten. Down the pole, up round the loop, and down the slide. Whee! End. It's the end of the rainbow. Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Up. Juggle up. Down and under, up to the top and draw the puddle. At rat. Down his back, then curl over his arm. It's a dancing rat. At hat. It's a cat in a hat. Down the head to the hooves and over his back. Big. Ack black. At cat. Big black cat. Down the laces to the heel, round the toe. Frog. Down the stem and draw the leaves. All. Pencil. Down the long leg. Jump. Down his body, curl and dot. Van. Down a wing, up a wing. In win. Woohoo! Down, up. Ox, box. Down the arm and leg and repeat the other side. Yell. Ap, I. Down a horn and under his head. Zoo. Zig, zag, zig. Queen. Round her head, up past her earrings and down her hair. We're finished!